Well, good bloody morning. Off to another one. One Green Sheep. This is another hip camp. I've got a few which I've pinned that I wanted to get up to. I could only get into this one this weekend, so pretty lucky considering it's school holidays. Got the Nugget with us again. Got me mate Pip in there too. She's pretty excited. Hello Pippy, good gal. Yeah, so just waiting for the owner to come up and he will take me down to camp. Pretty excited. Oh, last day of fire season 2 up here. Oh, there's a few sultanas around too. Wildflowers are still around, that's good to see. Alright, I'll show you when I'm at camp. This is the camp host. He's just taking us down to my spot. Pip's all excited. So am I. Ooh, where are we going? In this one. Ah, yeah. Sorry, Pip. Good bloody goon afternoon. I haven't had a bloody Mary yet. I will later. Pretty much all set up at One Green Sheep HipCamp. I think I'm at Birdsong. I can't remember what I am, but there's definitely a heap of them around here. Super awesome caretakers or owners, hosts. They've planted heaps of trees to do their bit for sustainability and encourage wildlife, which is good to know. I know a lot of all these private hip camps are all doing that, keeping the carnabies and everybody else coming through, giving them a corridor. Young Pip, what are you doing, mate? Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, so here for 2 nights. You got to be self-sufficient, so you need your own loo and all that. Pretty much set up. I'm just watching old mate Peter Hewitson, fellow YouTuber. I actually met him at Lake Neenan. Bloody nice bloke. Who's he ringing? Huh. So we made it to Nungarran. I'll watch this again, Pete, so then you get another view. Anyway, I'm looking forward to relaxing, listening to the birds, bit of music, bit of TV, and some food. Just got simple food this weekend. Easy stuff, is only me and Pip, so it's gonna be easy. I'll get my fire going later. It's bloody warm, eh? It said when I checked last, what was it? He reckons it's 25, but it feels warmer than that. Pretty good. I'm liking it. Well, good bloody goon afternoon. I'll try and keep these short because I think the last cooking sort of segments went on for a bit. So, first of all, got to get me mate Pip going first. So she's got I don't even know what she's got. All I know is expensive. So half and half. She probably won't eat all of that, but yeah, we'll do that for her. Oop. I'll clean my bowl. No, I'll clean my board, and then I'll get mine going. Stop recording. Good bloody goon afternoon. Just hanging out, me and Pip. Hello, Pippa. It's been a bizarre day. I've sort of felt, I don't know. I think I'm just tired, eh? I'm just knackered. I've just prepped dinner. Tonight's an easy one, so I've got some chicken mignons. They're from Woolies. And I've just got a whole heap of veg. Yeah, pretty simple one. I'm thinking tonight's going to be an early one. I've been lucky with the weather. Apparently down south it's a little bit different, but sun's still shining. The clouds are hovering, but here's what it is. The fire's going. The only thing is, that's the west over there, that way. And that's where the breeze is going. It's going straight to the camp, so I can't actually sit over there because it's like smoking 500 cigarettes at a time. I'm burning my jarrah now, so at least that's clearing up a bit. Anyway, not much to say for today. Just had a bit of a bludge. Tomorrow's another day. I might get the drone up, have a bit of a gander. I'm pretty keen to go down there's an embankment down there, a hill. So apparently there's a dam down there somewhere too. I'll flick the drone up first and have a look and see what's there. And put me marching boots on. Anyway, pretty much going to be it. Other than me dinner update. Oh, that was a winner. Can't really say she eats it at home either. Hey Pip, what are you talking about? Whoa, g'day, dinner's up. I got my chicken, what are they called? Mignons, and a heap of veg. I'm watching YouTube. Yeah, I'm camping, but you know, here's what it is. Just had an awesome dinner. Not sure if that's going to come out or not, but that's a big moon. See how that comes out. Good bloody merry morning. Got up at 7:30 this morning. I can't remember the last time I've actually done that. Yeah, so a little bit overcast today. Oh yeah, I'm just getting breakfast ready. Usual suspects. Everyone's seen bacon and eggs before. A little overcast today. And a bit of wind. Old mate farmer over there, he's slashing the field over there, so whether maybe he's going to do some hay bales out of that stuff. If the wind behaves itself, I'll try and get the drone up. I was going to go for a walk, but don't know what normally happens. Anyway, I'll hope it doesn't rain. Oh, I had a little bit of rain last night, but that was nice to listen to. On the rooftop there. Yeah. I love a good brekkie. I always seem to have breakfast late though. I can't do it first thing in the morning. I don't know how people do that. Anyway. going for a bit of a walk. Just wanted to check out that slasher over there. He's doing a good job. He's got a big job in front of him. I guess all farmers have. Yeah, bit cloudy. Got a bit of blue sky. Haven't got the drone up yet. I'll get that to go later. Hopefully the wind behaves. Yeah, nice spot. What do you reckon, Pip? Hey? You definitely know the seasons are changing because the bloody sultanas are out. They're a little bit thick too when you stop. It's alright when you walk. Heaps of bird life, eh? This is definitely echidna country. Or even numbats. Little termite mound. Good bloody goon afternoon. I've got really lucky with the weather, like cloudy and then sun and then cloud and then sun. Yeah, but got lucky. Oh, Poop's sitting there. How you going, Poo-poo? I was going to prep dinner, so tonight I'm going to do some hot dogs. And the way that I do them is I use chorizo sausages and I put some red cabbage and some sauerkraut, onion, tomato sauce, and of course the buns. I think they're awesome. Alright, the bad boys are on their way. I've chopped some onion and I've buttered and peppered my rolls. I'll just cook them all. I won't eat them all, but Pippi doesn't like chorizo, so they're all mine, and I'll do something when I get home tomorrow. Show when it's done. Good bloody goon afternoon. Dinner time. How lucky have I been with this weather? Oh, anyway. So chorizo hot dogs with sauerkraut and red cabbage and onion. This is a favourite of mine. Oh, hang on. There we go. Wee bit of sauce. Do you know, the only thing is, I have forgotten the cheese. And I would have gave myself 10 out of 10 for that. No cheese. How could I forget cheese? Anyway, all good. Sauerkraut, onion, chorizo, sausages, Tommy sauce. I don't have mustard in there too. Can't find it. Give it a go. It's a winner. Well, that's it. 2 nights. I enjoyed it. I'm feeling a bit weary though. I think copped a bit of smoke from the fire, so coughing a bit. Oh, just got to get my wheel chock, can't forget that. And yeah, so I'll end it at this one. See you on the next one.